Discover the best Amazon kitchen gadgets that'll save you time, space, and money. Let's dive right in.
Electric Food Steamer. This is a powerful electric food steamer that lets you cook multiple dishes at once. It comes with 3 stainless steel trays, giving you plenty of space for vegetables, rice, seafood, or even dumplings. With its 1200-watt motor, it heats up quickly and cooks your food evenly. The 24-hour delay start feature is super handy. You can set it up ahead of time and come back to perfectly steamed meals. It's a great way to cook healthy food without using extra oil, and cleanup is easy because of the stainless steel build. If you want healthy, convenient, and fast cooking, this steamer is a must-have. Stainless steel griddler. This is the ultimate multi-purpose kitchen gadget. The stainless steel griddler is a 5-in-1 indoor grill, panini press, and sandwich maker all in one. It comes with dishwasher-safe, non-stick plates that make cleanup super easy. You can use it as a contact grill, full grill, or even make delicious paninis. The adjustable temperature controls give you perfect cooking results every time. It's compact enough for small kitchens, but powerful enough to cook burgers, pancakes, or grilled veggies for the whole family. If you want one appliance that replaces several others and saves space, this griddler is a smart buy. French press coffee maker. If you love fresh coffee, this French press coffee maker is a great choice. It's made with durable borosilicate glass and stainless steel, so it looks premium and lasts longer. It can brew up to 34 ounces, perfect for multiple cups of coffee or even cold brew. The plunger and filter system ensures smooth, rich coffee without any grounds in your cup. It's also portable and easy to use. No electricity required. Just add coffee, hot water, press, and enjoy. Whether you want to make your morning routine special or impress guests with fresh coffee, this French press is a budget-friendly upgrade. Ninja Cold Press Juicer. This cold press juicer is a must-have if you love fresh, healthy juice. It's designed with a powerful motor and a never clog feature that lets you juice continuously without stopping to unclog the machine. The Total Pulp Control technology gives you 2 pulp settings, high or low, so you can enjoy your juice exactly how you like it. The compact size makes it perfect for countertops, and the parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you want to start your day with fresh, nutrient-rich juice, this juicer is an excellent choice. Multifunctional vegetable chopper. This multifunctional vegetable chopper is a real time saver. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades that let you chop, slice, and dice vegetables in seconds. The container collects everything neatly, so there's no mess on your counter. It's perfect for making salads, cutting potatoes for fries, or prepping vegetables for cooking. The storage box keeps the blades organized and safe. If you want to spend less time chopping and more time enjoying your meals, this chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget. Vacuum Sealer Kit. This cordless vacuum sealer kit is perfect for anyone who uses mason jars for food storage or fermentation. It works with both wide mouth and regular mouth jars, helping you keep your food fresh longer. Just place it on the jar, press the button, and it removes the air automatically. It's great for storing coffee, nuts, spices, or even pickles. This kit is portable, rechargeable, and super easy to use. If you want to save money by keeping your food fresher for longer, this gadget is a smart investment. Pizza Cutter Wheel. This large pizza cutter wheel is super sharp and slices through pizza effortlessly. Made of stainless steel, it's durable and safe for everyday use. The handle gives you a strong grip, so you can cut through thick crust without struggling. It also comes with a blade cover for safe storage, which is great if you have kids. You can even use it to cut quesadillas, flatbreads, or cookie dough. If you want perfectly sliced pizza every time, this is the tool you need. Bamboo Cutting Board. This double-sided bamboo cutting board is both beautiful and functional. One side is smooth for general chopping, while the other side has a stainless steel insert and juice groove, perfect for cutting meat without making a mess. It's large enough to handle big ingredients and durable enough to last a long time. The handle makes it easy to carry or hang when not in use. Bamboo is naturally resistant to bacteria, making this a safer option for your kitchen. If you need a versatile, eco-friendly cutting board, this one is a great choice. Electric Skillet Hot Pot. This electric skillet is perfect for hot pot nights, stir fries, or simply cooking large family meals. It features a PFOA-free ceramic-coated surface, which means it's non-stick and safer for your health. The temperature control dial allows precise cooking, whether you're simmering, frying, or boiling. It's deep enough to cook soups and stews and wide enough for grilling. Plus, the detachable heating probe makes cleaning easy. If you want a versatile cooker that can replace multiple pots and pans, this electric skillet is a great option. Electric deep fryer. This electric deep fryer is perfect for quick and easy frying at home. It automatically maintains the right frying temperature, so you get perfectly crispy results every time. It uses just 4 cups of oil to make 4 servings, which saves you money. The non-stick surface makes cleanup simple, and the snap-on lid lets you store oil for reuse. Whether you want to fry chicken, onion rings, fries, or donuts, this fryer gets it done fast. It's great for small kitchens or anyone who loves fried food without glass coffee container set. This is a stylish 2-piece glass container set designed for storing coffee, sugar, or other dry goods. Each jar has an airtight lid that keeps your ingredients fresh and flavorful. The included wooden shelf keeps them organized and adds a modern look to your kitchen. The set also comes with scoops, making it easy to measure. The large capacity jars mean you won't have to refill them often. If you love coffee or just want a clean, organized countertop, this set is a great choice. Kitchen sink strainers. This sink strainer set is perfect for keeping your drain clean and clog-free. Made of stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and durable. The wide rim fits most sinks, and the basket catches food scraps so they don't go down the drain. It also includes a stopper to block water when you need to fill the sink. This set is easy to clean and will save you from costly plumbing issues. If you want to keep your sink fresh and clear, this is a simple but very useful kitchen find.